Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience, and today I'm going to give you some tips when buying a property in Panama. A little guide about the process and what are the tips and tricks in order to understand this process and buy your property in Panama. Buying a property in Panama requires guidance, knowledge, and preparation. The most important thing I would recommend you is that you take the time to find the property by doing the right research or using the right people to find a land or a property in Panama, or hiring a real estate broker. And I can't stress more on this because a real estate broker that is trusted and someone that is reportable will help you find the property that is right for you, and you won't have any problems in the future because a real estate broker will guide you, will give you the options, and will help you find that property that you're dreaming. If it's a property for investment, it means that you won't live there, so probably a broker will help you, giving you the options, the return on investment, and those things that are most important for you. If you're looking to live in the property, I definitely recommend you to come to Panama and find that place with the help of a broker or by yourself. But I definitely recommend you with a broker in case you don't speak Spanish or you cannot communicate with the owners directly. Another important thing is hiring an attorney that is specialized in real estate or that has experience in real estate transactions. And I recommend this because if you're buying a property in Panama, it is important that you have someone next to you that can communicate with the other party, such as the seller or the seller's attorney. In many cases, when you buy a property that is owned by a foreign person, you will see that there is an attorney and a broker in the transaction. In Panama, many owners use the assistance of an attorney in a transaction. I'm not sure in other countries, but in Panama it's very common, especially when there is a presence of a foreign person. So definitely it is important, the communication between the parties, owners and sellers is important. It's important that if you don't have the direct contact with the seller, that you have someone that is representing that person and that you can have direct access in case you need to ask questions, and also communication of your attorney with the other attorney in order to have a successful closure. Also, when you buy pre-construction, it's important to hire an attorney. An attorney will help you with revising the clauses on the promissory agreement and follow up the process until you are the owner, if you buy in cash, or when the bank will draft the deed when the process is finished and they will transfer the property to you. I also recommend you to understand the market. The Panama real estate market has changed in the last couple of years after COVID, so it's growing. But it also depends on where are you buying. For example, if you buy in the countryside, in the interior, or if you buy in the city center, it's not the same if you buy near the sea or if you buy near the beaches that are in the Gorgona, Coronado area, or Boquete. So it's very important that you understand the prices around those areas and be familiar with the prices. The due diligence is also an important part of the process, and the due diligence is usually done by an attorney. The attorney will check on the property through the public registry's website. You can also get a username if you register at the registry, but if you're not familiar with the Spanish, it's better to let an attorney check the property for you, check that there are no active liens or encumbrances in the property, that the owner is the owner, that they are, if they're selling shares, that the corporate documents are in order, and such things. Another important thing is the payment. If you buy from another country, you might question how you will pay the down payment and also the difference. I know that in other countries, like in Canada, there are escrow agents. In Panama, it's not necessary to have an escrow in a real estate transaction, but we have ways to secure your final payment once you decide to buy a property. For example, we have something that is called promissory letter, which is issued by a bank. The bank will give a letter to the seller and basically saying that they will pay the balance on behalf of the buyer. If you want to learn more about the visa options we have in Panama, you're free to go to our list of videos in our playlist in YouTube. And if you have questions, you can always contact us. We offer Zoom consultations. And we invite you to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and if you're interested about our service, you can always click in the link below for a Zoom consultation. Thanks.